It is beginning to taste a lot like Christmas. I am doing my cherry and gin glazed ham. Let's cook. I've actually never done a picnic or boneless ham before. I usually use the one with the bone in it. I'm sure it's the same. Slice around the knuckle. Okay, now what? Is this glued on? So I'm just working the skin really gently. Not so gently, but really gently. Now I did do a normal ham. I filmed it, but then I never posted it. Score it in like a crosshatch. Close. All studded. Open. Dijon and seeded, but I don't have seeded, so I'm just gonna up the Dijon. Cinnamon, allspice, gin of your choice, the rind of an orange or a lemon. I don't have an orange juice. You can use orange juice as well. Bring to a boil and then leave. Now everything's melted and combined, we're ready. Put a little bit of foil underneath here, just so that it sits up even. We glaze, perfect. This glaze is really high sugar content, so I put a glass of water into the bottom of the tray to stop it from burning. Into the oven at 160 for about an hour and a half, and then we'll check it. You glaze it every 15 minutes. Quick glaze, just to get it all shiny. Look how pretty. It's like succulent. So I would thin out this sauce a little bit. Sexy. Oh my God. It is so juicy. I'll show you how to make this into like a leftover recipe, but I'm gonna send half of it to concierge. Please give this a go and then tag me in it because it's so yummy. When you do the leg with the bone in it, you also get those like chewy, sinewy bits. You're not getting it in this. Some people I think will like, but I like the chewy, sinewy bits. Bye.